Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we start the project, just look at this website for a second. Honestly, this is insane, right? The smoothness, the flow, the way everything moves together, it completely blew my mind. I still can't properly explain how good this website feels. And the crazy part, I created this using AI and anti-gravity. So, if you want to create a professional website like this, don't skip, watch till the end. Before we start the project, we need some images and videos. So we can go to your browser and simply search Air Jordan Pagani Hayura Roadster and simply download this image and save this image. Then we can go flow whisk and go down and simply press whisk and press enter tool and add images. Then go to the upload images, select the image, and it takes some time to analyzing image. Our image will be analyzed, you can see now. Then we should go our image prompt section. So I can copy, I want the angle of Pagani Hayura, and don't worry, I can provide you the image prompt on the description and also video prompt. Then go back to the browser and simply paste this. I want the angle of Pagani Hayura and press and select 16 by 9 and press enter, and it takes some time to generate 6 images at same time. So you can see now our image will be generated. So I can download this. So go back to the website and you can see now this image we need here. So again we can go to the Whisk and press enter tool, and here I can add image of this. I can provide you the image link on the description, and then we should go back to the Whisk and simply upload image and select this image and open, and again it takes some time to analyzing image. Now we need this image also. We can previously download this image, so we can go and upload image, go to the download and open this image, and it takes some time to analyzing image. Okay, it's done. Then go to the prompt section and copy this second prompt and go back and simply paste this prompt and press enter, and again it's generate 6 images. Okay, some images will be generated, but I don't like it, so again I can press enter. Okay, it gives upper image, so we can uh, define for blue car exposed image I want, type, and again we can press enter. So you can see now image will be generated. So I can choose this image and simply press download, and so we have required 2 images, so we can generate successfully. Then again go to the Google and search flow AI and press enter, and go to the flow labs and create with flow and press new project, and we can go frames to video. And if you not created flow account before, you need to create account first, and it gives 180 credits. You can see now my credit is 120, so I can use. So we can upload the image. So go to upload, and we can go to download and open the image. Then we can crop and save, and it takes some time. So our first image will be saved. Then we can again upload image, and again we can go download and select and open the second image of this and crop and save, and it again takes some time. Then we can simply go our video prompt option. So here I can copy this and go back to the flow and simply paste this video prompt and press enter, and it takes some time to generate. Our video will be generated successfully, so let's see. So you can see now our video will be generated successfully. We need to download this in HD, and it takes some time again. Okay, then go to the browser and search EZGIF video to JPG, and we can simply open this, and here you can see choose file. So I can choose file. So go to the download and select my video and press open, and again it takes some time, and press upload video. Our uploading is done now. So go down, and here you can see now frame options. So here you can choose 30 frame and convert to JPG, and again it takes some time to generate. And you can see now our generated image will be generated one by one. So our images will be converted successfully, you can see now, and we can go down, and here you can see now download frame as zip. So I can simply download this file, and again it takes some time. Here you can see now our downloading will be starting. So our images will be downloaded successfully. Then we can go anti-gravity. After open anti-gravity, we need to create folder. So we need to create new folder, and we can name Pagani with AI and select folder. Then we can go for prompt. We can copy this website prompt. Simply copy this and go back to the anti-gravity and simply paste this prompt here and simply press enter, and it's generating automatically full website for us. So it takes time. You can see now within a couple of minutes anti-gravity generate a fully functional website. After project is done, we need to go web browser, and we can download this. So simply go to download and extract this file, and go back to the anti-gravity and simply paste this on public section, and we can check our project is running or not. So we can simply go to the terminal and type here npm run and div and press enter. Okay, we should follow the link, redirect our Pagani's website. You can see now our project will be generated successfully. So if you like this project, please like, subscribe and follow for more.